I'm starting a channel because I'm poor and hopefully I can blow up and make some money so I can take care of me and my baby. Don't judge my floppy titties. Once upon a time, I was a hot gal, but now I'm just a baby mother. This is my baby. Say hi. Say hi, Irie. Hi. Kiss. Kiss me. Yes, so I'm gonna bring on a day in the life with me. What's in my so? Clean out the matter out of me. Don't mind them nails, I don't know, but I see them my team have money. A little sponsorship I get for go do them. Okay, I was crying, so I had to do a quick intermission because you know she's my first priority and I hate hearing her cry. So as soon as she starts crying, I gotta go, boo. She loves to see herself, as you can tell by the smiling when she sees herself up in the camera. She's so conceited. Where'd you get that from? Anyways, right now, I'm gonna tell you. After 12 minutes, but don't brush my teeth from morning. I'm not telling you no lie, me, but you don't hear the bad things, you know, will blow me up. But don't brush my teeth from morning. I don't even bathe from morning. See me? From yesterday, I have on them clothes. So right now, I'm gonna see if Ari will take a nap. She's a little bit fussy, and then I'll come back. Bye. This is the next day. This is Ari. When they start eat little egg and bread, as you can see, it is finished. I don't know why. I never think for showing it before, but I'm new. This is my little cup. I just go and steep like my tea and crackers. Area eat off of the ground. Don't mind she. We'll be back. So right now, I'll go up on the road. So the water in the tank done. So I got teeth little water from the neighbor. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So in my backyard, minding a business. Minding a business, man. I some Nazareth. Right down this one I'm gonna be when we're done. Usually we just push up that hose up there and suck it. Why? Suck the hose and the water come out. Why? Suck the hose and the water come out and we'll be right down this. But right now, like I said, I tank the empty, so I'm about for teeth people. Water, I just water. I want God put it here for the wall. We say if mine done, we can teeth some from somebody else. Mind in the business. Alright, but they're over the people in yard now. I'm about right there, so this is the tank. I have to climb up on this, so let's set to know still I'm gonna see what I'm going on around the style. I'm try to find a place can put you. I don't have nowhere to put you now. It's a little salty, man. When I start, when I'm try to find someone that can somebody drum me and when they can put on upon it. Jesus Christ. I'm not here but for people. I don't want to catch up my phone for that dirty something about. Well, I'll make it work. I garbage right on it, you know. Garbage. I don't have no shame. Alright, my channel. Let's see if this can work. Could have worked, but the damn phone now stay up. You see me telling us I'm poor and you don't believe me. I need one of them something where you put the phone pan so it don't drop down. Wait. It's a nice day. I don't look pan the sky for 30 seconds. Okay. You can see what I'm going on? Ready. now, I'm gonna take that wall, yeah. I jump that wall, I go back over. So I'm show you what I'm going. Hey, I say, if I did ever decide to be a thief, I start from the house. Jump every wall, broke every fence. I jump that wall, I'm wanting to see, but come like on a can go see. And there, man. Alright, here where I know I go bathe now. Catch the water and done so I go bathe. I'm not really feel like I need to carry on with me go bathe. You know? I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my lips because them so dry. I'm not subject enough to look for my dry lips. So yeah, I go bathe now. I don't feel like I really need to bring on you know, but I don't bring on no car. I'm trying to blow up. So if you don't want to see my partially. Okay, I'm gonna do it for the gram, baby, because I need this moolah. So anyways, this is what I'm gonna use, babe. This is the CeraVe. Don't ask me how them pronounce it, baby love. Alright, I ordered this one time. I did have a little money in my pocket, just a little bit of money. I never have a whole lot. I need to get used to looking into the camera instead of at myself. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. I use that thing here for beard. It's set for rough and bumpy skin because right now my skin rough and bumpy. And even though I'm poor, I can try to live a soft girl life and try to have soft skin too. I want to know, right? Boom! I'm gonna be using this Vagisil because we need a clean coochie. We need a perfectly pH balanced coochie. So yeah. And then no, oh my god. Yes. Let's tell you one box time. So my rag, I only know the basics. So right now, beard me go beard. Hold on then. I have a little pear soap in here, so I use to my face. So breps, right. Alright, I'm ready. I know. I'm just catch up my ear off the camera because I can't bother me in a hurry. My mother have someone for go, so she just rush me. She look up right now. If anybody's curious, I don't know why you would be. I left my baby with her grandmama. I said, I'm not look too bad in my beard though. It's not the truth, my God love. So the little fit, yeah, I can't really see it. Don't mind some toe though, I'm not money. Anyways, I'm not going to record on the road because I don't have them brave ready yet. I just start out. You don't have to blow me up. If I see this video get a lot of traction, then you know, I don't know, I'll do a Q&A so you guys can get to know me because I know I just blurt on the scene, but I just try a thing, yeah. I just try it anyway. I gotta go be that. Alright, I'm ready. I know. I'm just catch up my ear off the camera because I can't bother me in a hurry. My mother have someone for go, so she just rush me. She look up right now. If anybody's curious, I don't know why you would be. I left my baby with her grandmama. I said, I'm not look too bad in my beard though. It's not the truth, my God love. So the little fit, yeah, I can't really see it. Don't mind some toe though, I'm not money. Anyways, I'm not going to record on the road because I don't have them brave ready yet. I just start out. You don't have to blow me up. If I see this video get a lot of traction, then you know, I don't know, I'll do a Q&A so you guys can get to know me because I know I just blur on the scene, but I just try a thing, yeah. I just try it anyway. I gotta go be back. Well, as you can see, I'm soaking in the rain. I'm clearly not at home. Mind your business. Okay, I've actually been back for a while now, but my baby missed me, so I had to give her my attention. Anyways, I think I'm gonna close. I'm gonna see at night. Yeah. Anyways, I think I'm gonna close out this video now, cause I'm about to tidy my baby and put her in bed so that I can go to my bed. Yeah, right now it's 7 o'clock. Couple minutes to what? Can call it 7 o'clock, son. I'm gonna do the dirt and get my bed. Y'all, if you like this video, please subscribe. You know your girl is poor and trying to make it out here. And then, like I said earlier, depending on the traction that this video gets, then we can proceed from there. And let me. All right, I will see. Oh no, this is a banana intro, by the way. Anybody, if you wanna like me, I don't can edit and them something. You can make one intro for me. Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'm out.